What's going on, NEM crew? Welcome back to another video. Today is a very special day because I've listened to you guys. You guys have been saying we need more Datsun. We need more Z content. And damn, we're going to deliver. So, today is a little bit of a teaser. I'm going to be blue balling you a little bit because we got some new parts that came in and I'm going to be going through unboxing them. And I want you guys to see my reaction, my initial thoughts, and hopefully you guys like what we're going to be doing on the Z, hopefully very soon. So we'll just dive right in. Let's just start unboxing this stuff. I mean, some are out of the boxes already because, I get too excited, I had to give myself a little preview before bringing you guys in with me, so we'll zoom in a bit. We'll start unboxing it. So, if you guys can't tell, these are seats. And I'm super excited because it's something that I've been looking for quite some time for the Datsun. I couldn't find something that I liked. I wasn't sure if they were going to fit. Actually, I don't know if these are going to fit, but we'll find out eventually if they're going to fit. They should. They actually look fairly small and compact now that they're actually here. And we'll go through my decision, my choice, where I got these from. And then we'll go through, there's a box right here. We'll open up as well. And let's do this. And another reason why I am unboxing them right now instead of doing them or unboxing them right when I do the install, I want to make sure everything is in good condition, in good shape. They're what I need to be. They're what I ordered. Which I always recommend to do when you're ordering parts. Oops, oh my god, I'm going to ruin the seats. Another reason is these are going to need rails, and I'm probably going to have to either order brackets or make some custom brackets and figure out if I can get some sliders for these because I definitely want sliders. They are reclinable seats and adjustable, so let's just dive right in. I'm going to try and unbox these without, or unwrap them without destroying them. We'll do a quick time lapse for you guys so you don't have to hear this wrapping going crazy. And then we'll go through once I have them unboxed. Let's do this. One down, one to go. And we got this box. Let's do it. Alright guys, before we go any further, let's talk about the most important thing here, the seats. Now, there's a few things on the seats that I'm noticing. Realistically, it just needs to be wiped down with some vinyl leather cleaner. Should be good to go. Everything else looks pretty good. There's some spots here that, again, they're just a little bit of dirt. No scratches, nothing like that. Everything is in good shape. These are actually brand new upholstery, like it's brand new upholstery, so it's just been recently done. And some of you guys might recognize these seats while others may not. These are actually Recaro LX seats. I believe they came in certain models of older Porsches. So again, correct me if I'm wrong. I'm probably wrong. I'm just making shit up all the time. So, trying to make myself sound smart, but I don't know. I could be right. I could be wrong. There's an option to get a couple different variations of the upholstery. I ended up getting a diamond pattern because my door panels and the headliner of the Datsun are already custom upholstered in a diamond stitch. So I figured we'd kind of tie everything together with the seats. I went with these seats because, one, I think the netting headrest is freaking badass. It's so cool. I haven't seen that ever before, and it's very unique. And I also wanted something that had a little bit more bolstering, a little bit tighter, hug you a little bit more, but something that wasn't, you know, a dedicated racing seat. I didn't want the car for people looking at it, going to shows, thinking that it's like a dedicated track car. Like the Datsun's not. It's just a car to have some fun with. It's supposed to give you a nice drive, especially with all the stuff I've done to it. So I kind of wanted a cross between a, you know, era kind of specific, but it's kind of not. These seats are kind of plucked away from the era of the car, but it also gives a little bit of a modern touch. But at the end of the day, it's more of a touring seat. It's something that gives you a little bit more support in terms of cornering and stuff like that. But what is that? It's meant to just hug you a little bit more. Okay, I don't even know what I'm talking about. I'm just kind of mesmerized by these seats right now. So, now these are OG Recaro seats. They have all of the mechanisms and stuff. And as you can see, I don't know if you could tell when I was unboxing them, I was kind of fiddling back and forth. Thank you. This thing shuts up. Like, honestly, I was going to mention it in a minute, but see how it's got a little bit of play? I wonder if I can kind of fix that. This seat, not as much. But they are older seats, so you know you're gonna have some of that. I know the Datsun seats right now, they flop around like crazy, but ultimately they are actual Recaro seats, just reupholstered to look the way that I wanted them to look. So they look absolutely amazing. I don't want to sit in one, but I don't think it's gonna do anything if I do, because there's no rails on it. So I might. Let's give her a sit. I'm curious. Oh my god. Oh my god, these are so good. Yeah, that's way better. Can you imagine just giving her large in this freaking car? Baby. Whoo! That's sick. They're comfy too. Yeah, these are sick. Gotta be by far one of my favorite seats. Alright guys, before I freaking just get lost and fall asleep on these seats and just... I'll lose you if we don't keep going. So, I'm going to open up this other box that's right in front of you. I'm going to adjust the camera so you guys can see what I'm doing. And then that's pretty much going to be it for this video. I'm going to have to take some measurements for the mounting spots for the rail. Get all that kind of stuff figured out. All boring stuff behind the scenes that, you know, you got to kind of make sure that, you know, we can make it work, make it fit. And again, I don't know if these are actually going to fit in the Datsun. Seeing them now, though, they do seem fairly slim. Maybe down here where the bolstering is, it might be a little bit too wide, but it definitely slims out near the back. So we'll kind of have to play it and see what happens. But let's get this other box open. I'm stoked to see the parts that are in here. Oh yeah, cranky, mate. You see that? Cranky. Bugger. Alright. This is cup holder. If you guys own Datsuns yourselves, you know that they don't have any cup holders, and it pisses me off when I have to throw my cup or my bottle behind the seat. I don't know if it is leaking all over, causing rust. I'm kidding, they don't leak, I mean, but the fact that you can't go to like Tim Hortons and grab yourself a... What the hell is that? Can't go to Tim Hortons and grab yourself coffee because you can't put it anywhere when you're driving. So, had to get myself something with cup holders. Got myself a new radio plate. My center console is kind of hinting at what I just told you what I got. My center console that's in the car is mangled. There's no armrest, there's nothing, like everything is broken. So I got this, which is a new faceplate. So right now I have everything deleted in terms of like the radio, the map light, not the radio, the map light, the AC controls, all that stuff. So this is just a delete plate. Right now I just have a piece of Lexan glass or Lexan plastic in there that I made myself. Figured might as well get an actual piece. It's more sturdy if I eventually want to put any switches, anything like that in here. If I ever do anything down the line, I can make it look clean, and it's all actual aluminum, and it'll be all good. Let's probably put this back in the bag. We got the shifter boot plate. So this actually allows for aftermarket shifter boots to be installed, which is kind of nice. Right now I have a factory one, but it's fairly bulky, and I bought it like aftermarket, so it's very stiff. It's not kind of worked in. So I find it gets in the way a lot, so it'd be nice to maybe put a nice kind of sleek aftermarket one maybe in there. As long as it's nothing too like doesn't pop out. I don't know what I'm talking about. As long as it's classy, you know. You know our motto here on the channel. It has to fit the car, right? It can't be something completely wild and wacky. Unless it's got pineapples on it. If you guys can find one with pineapples on it, let me know. Pineapples are my jam. Could you imagine having pineapple jam? That's freaking wild. See, this is also very light too. It's all aluminum. Alright guys. So we got center console. Fairly simple, fairly straightforward. Gives it more of like a race car look because it's like very boxy, not very smoothed over in terms of like your edges in here. It's got a nice cutout on the side. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's got a cutout right here for your e-brake lever, and I like the fact that it's got your thread. Your thread's like already in here, so for that shifter plate. It's pretty cool. It's got to say, it's very light, very slim. It's very simple too, which I like. It's not something that's crazy. And then hopefully, I believe the cup holders will bolt right to the back here. These two spots. That way we have cup holders for the driver and the passenger. This is going to be awesome. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I know it was kind of a mishmash of me just unboxing parts and me just having fun and getting excited because these parts are amazing. I don't know what to say. But thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking with us. I'm going to clean up this room because it's now a disaster. We'll have these videos coming out as soon as possible. I might try and get them done while the Datsun is still tucked away for the winter. We'll see. If not, it'll be early spring. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when these videos come out. We got a bunch more stuff coming on the Datsun as well that I haven't unboxed in this video. And we got some Volvo content because I know you guys said you want some Volvo content. You know who you are. You know who you are. Alright, that's it for this video. Peace out and stay classy, crew.